Welcome friends, myself singer Pooja Madhukar. Today's my seminar topic is lag culture from our subject economic zoology. Lag is a resin natural of animal origin. It is secreted by an insect known as lag insect. In order to obtain lag, these insects are cultured and the technique is called lag culture. It involves proper care of host plants, regular pruning of host plant, propagation, collection and processing of lag. Then history. The name lag seems to have been derived from the Sanskrit word laksha meaning one lakh and suggestive of the large number of insects involved in its production. The scientific study of lag started much later. In 1709, Father Tatchar discovered the insect that produced lag. First of all care, 1782 gave the name Coccus lacca. Then systematic position of lag. It belongs to phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Hemiptera, then suborder Homoptera, family Laciferidae, genus Tacharda, then species Lacca. Then distribution. India has its monopoly on the production of lag. Then other countries like Africa, Australia, Brazil, Burma, Sri Lanka, China, France, West Germany, Japan, Malaya, Nepal, Spain, Thailand, Turkey, USA, and some other also produce lag. But in Thailand, Malaya, Burma, and Nepal, the lag producing industry are increasing day by day. So, in Thailand and Malaya, Burma, and Nepal, the lag producing industry are increased day by day. In India, major lag producing places are Assam, then Kashi Hills, Bengal, Kolkata, Jangipur, Bihar, Delhi, Gujarat, Hyderabad, then Kashmir, Madhya Pradesh, Chennai, Orissa, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh, etc. Then structure of Lacifera lacca. Lacifera lacca is a minute resinous crawling scale insect which insert its beak into plants tissue, suck juice and grow, and secrete lac from the hind end of the body. Its own body ultimately get covered with the lac in the cell. Lac is actually secreted for the protection and not for the food of the insect. The commercially lac is produced in large quantities by female as protective covering of its body, which is injurious to the host plants. Then we study the male lac insect. Male lac insect it is a larger in size and red in color. So, male lac insects are larger as compared to female and it is red in color. The body is typically divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. The body is divided into three parts that is head, thorax, and abdomen. The head bear a pair of antennae and a pair of eyes. The mouth part are absent. Mouth part is absent. So the male adult insect is unable to feed because mouth part is absent. Thorax bear three pair of legs. Wing may or many not be found. Here the figure uh, male with wings or male without wings. The wing many or may not be found. Then Female lac insect. Female lac insect, it is a smaller in size. Female lac insect is it is smaller in size as compared to male. The head bear a pair of antennae and a single proboscis. Eyes are absent. In female, eyes are absent. Thorax is devoid of wings and legs. The loss of eyes, wings. In female, eyes and wings are absent. It is a female lac insect which secretes the bulk of lac for commons. Then fertilization. Fertilization. After attaining the maturity, male emerge out from their cell and wall over the lac. In crustaceans, the male enters the female cell through anal tubular opening, and inside female cell it fertilizes the female. After copulation, the male die. After copulation, male dies. One male is capable of fertilizing several females. So one male are capable for fertilizing several females. Females develop very rapidly after fertilization. So after fertilization, females are developed very rapidly. Then life history or life cycle of Lacifera lacca. Uh, each mature female just after fertilization lay about 200 to 500 eggs in a cell in which she is enclosed. So, mature females just after fertilization lay 200 to 500 eggs. When nymphs emerge, they are in quite large number. This mass emerge of the nymph is known as swarming. Here the male cell and here is female cell. Then nymph. At the time of emerge, the nymphs are about 0.5 mm, that is millimeter in length, and it is red in color and boat shape. The head paired antennae, oci and ventrally situated piercing and sucking type of mouth parts. Uh, uh, Piercing and sucking types of mouth parts are present. The mouth parts are provided with proboscis. The three segmented well developed thorax contain two pair of spiracles and only one pair of walking legs. The abdomen contains two pair of legs and terminated into a pair of long caudal setae. The male cell is elongated and cigar shaped. The male cell is elongated and cigar shaped, having two holes, that is anterior and posterior. From the posterior hole, which is covered by a flaps or operculum, the male insect come out by pushing open the operculum. After 6 to 8 weeks of stationary life, the nymphs are metamorphosed, as a result of which 30% active wing male and maximum 70% emerge in the form of female, which are wingless. The female just gave fixed on the host plant in resinous mass. Then method of lac cultivation. The improved method of lac cultivation essentially aim at deriving maximum benefit from cultivation through sustained production of lac of better quality and without much year-to-year fluctuation. So first method is pruning. The nature and extent of pruning of host plants and the time of the year when pruning is done have been found to have an important effect on the production of succulent branches for feeding of lac insect and therefore on the lac crop. It has been found that branches more than 25 that is millimeter in diameter should not be cut. The proper time for pruning of Palus trees meant for Katki in inoculation in June to July is about mid-February, but for beer. The proper time for pruning of Palus and beer trees meant for Baishakhi inoculation in October to November is about mid-April. Then second method is QP system. All the trees of host plant of a definite area are not used under continuous cultivation process of black crops. Then harvesting. The common practice among cultivation is to cut the crop partially as early April-May, that is April to May, and fully as mature in Katki crop in October to November. Then composition of lac. The lac is secreted in the form of liquid from the lac gland of the lac insect, which becomes solid or dry. Lac is resinous matter which is secreted by the female lac insect around its body for its own protection. So, lac is secreted, or lac is resinous matter on which is secreted by female. Lac is a mixture of following constituents. So first is resin. Resin, it is about 68 to 90%. Then dye, it is about 2 to 10%. Then wax, uh, wax, it is about 6%. Then albuminous matter, 5 to 10%. Then mineral matter, 3 to 7%. And water, it is about 3%. Then properties of lac. Lac is not soluble in water and easily soluble in alcohol. So, lac is insoluble in water and easily soluble in alcohol. This property of lac has great value for insulation of electrical connection. Lac is easily fusible on heating. Then lac has adhesive quality. Then lac is bad conductor of heat. Then uses of lac. Lac is used for various purposes. So first is gramophone record. Then furniture and floor polishes. Then third one is industrial varnish. Then fourth one is insulating cloth. Then fifth one is uh, laminated paper board. Then sixth one is photographic and engraving industries. Then sealing wax. Then book varnish. Then making bangles and jewelry and nail polishes. So thank you.